launch a Mafeking Insider, which will introduce you people. It will be a platform for you. Let me say something. When you look at Move Magazine and when you look at True Love Magazine, they are called national magazine. But the truth is, they promote the people of city of Joburg. They promote the artists from the city of Joburg. What about the stars that are in our cities? What about the stars? So we are not being celebrated, and I feel it's about time that we stand up and celebrate ourselves and make work. I thank you.
Phambili, Mafeking Insider Phambili. Now we're going to call upon Donald from Nadine. Please come forth. Donald. A round of applause.
Hello everyone, from Ladino. That's us over there. And Ladino was founded last year by me and my three buddies over there. We were not friends before we started the business. We became friends after we started the business there. So that's a good relationship because now we are for business. So I'm sure you read about our company there. I'm gonna tell you about an idea. And the nice thing about my idea, I'm not telling you about something that's in concept. I'm gonna tell you something about something that is already running. So give me a minute to set up this a bit. Coming, we're local guys. We're from Mafeking. We're local. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about Jack. Jack is a new brand that we started in Mafeking. And I'm sure you've heard about thousands of other people who started their brands, local brands. Some brands are from, you've got Thesis.